Do you feel like it's too late to start an online side hustle? Think again. Today we're diving into some of the most profitable and sustainable side hustles for people over 40. Whether you're looking to boost your income or plan for early retirement, these side hustles are perfect for setting you up for long-term success. So grab your notepad because this video could be the game changer that you've been waiting for. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is coaching or consulting. Consulting is a fantastic side hustle for those over 40 because you've already built decades of experience. Whether it's in business, finance, marketing, or even health, your expertise and your knowledge is highly valuable. I recommend that you start by identifying your niche, then you can offer your services to companies or individuals needing guidance within your field. Now, to help you get started, I recommend you leverage your existing network. I suggest that you reach out to former colleagues, friends, or social media connections who might need your help. You can offer to solve a specific problem that they're facing, and once you get a few clients, word of mouth will help your business grow from there. I also recommend that you consider creating packages or hourly rates that reflect your expertise. For example, if you've worked in HR for years, you could offer career coaching or resume consulting. Many people are willing to pay for advice that helps them advance their careers or switch industries, and you're perfectly positioned to provide that value. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is online course creation. Creating and selling online courses is another lucrative option. Your years of experience give you unique insights that many people are willing to pay to learn. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare make it very easy to upload and market your course to a global audience. Now, when creating your course, I recommend that you focus on solving a problem or teaching a skill that is in high demand in the marketplace. For example, if you've been a successful project manager, you could create a course on project management fundamentals or advanced techniques. Add real-world examples to make your course highly engaging and very practical for your students. Once your course is live, I recommend that you promote it across your social media channels and through your email list. The beauty of online courses is that they can create passive income, meaning you can keep earning long after the initial work is done. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is freelance writing or copywriting services. If you enjoy writing, freelance writing or copywriting could be the perfect side hustle for you. Many businesses are always in need of blog posts, website copy, and other marketing materials. Your life experience gives you a unique voice and perspective that clients will value. I recommend that you start by choosing a niche, whether it's finance, health, tech, or any area you feel that you have good knowledge about. Look for freelance platforms like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com, or even job boards where you can pitch your online services. I suggest that you offer content that meets the needs of businesses looking to engage their audience or sell their products. For instance, you could write blog posts about financial planning for individuals over 40, or create persuasive copy for companies that cater to older demographics. As you build your portfolio, you can increase your rates and take on more high-profile clients. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is e-commerce, dropshipping, or print-on-demand business. E-commerce is booming, and it's never been easier to start your own online store. If you don't want to deal with inventory, consider dropshipping or print-on-demand services. This allows you to sell products without having to stock or ship them yourselves. I recommend that you find a niche that resonates with your interests or your current background. For example, you could create a print-on-demand store selling humorous t-shirts geared towards people over 40. Or you could start a dropshipping store that offers lifestyle products for the same demographic. The key is to find a specific market and cater to its unique needs. I recommend that you use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to help you get started. Once your store is live, I then suggest you focus on marketing it through social media ads, SEO, which is search engine optimization, and influencer partnerships within your niche. The more effort that you put into understanding your audience, the more sustainable your business will be in the long term. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is real estate investing or property management. If you have some savings or equity built up, real estate investing could be a highly profitable side hustle. Whether it's buying rental properties, flipping houses, or managing vacation rentals, real estate offers long-term income and potential appreciation. I suggest that you start by researching your local market. I recommend that you look for properties that are undervalued or areas that are expected to grow. You can either purchase rental properties for monthly cash flow or buy and renovate properties to sell at a higher price. It's important to do your homework on expenses, taxes, and potential returns before diving in. For a more hands-on option, I recommend that you consider property management. This involves managing other people's properties, handling tenants, and dealing with maintenance in exchange for a fee. If you're well organised and have good people skills, this can be a great way to build steady income. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for people over 40 because it's all about sharing products or services that you actually believe in. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's and businesses' products through your blog, your YouTube channel, or any other social media such as Instagram and TikTok. It's ideal if you want a low maintenance, passive income stream. Now, to help you get started, I recommend that you pick a niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand in the marketplace. It could be anything from fitness to financial planning. Then I suggest that you sign up for some different affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or other affiliate networks specific to your industry. The key is to create valuable content that naturally incorporates the products that you are trying to promote. For example, if you have a blog about healthy living, you could recommend wellness products and include your affiliate links. The more content that you create and the larger your audience grows, the more commissions you'll generate over time. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services are in high demand as more people and businesses shift to remote work. You could offer administrative support, scheduling, bookkeeping, or even do social media management. If you're organised and tech savvy, this is a great side hustle that allows you to work from home. I recommend that you identify your strongest skills and advertise them to potential clients on platforms like Upwork.com, Freelancer, or directly on LinkedIn. Many entrepreneurs are looking for experienced individuals who can handle admin tasks so that they can focus on growing their own businesses. For instance, you could offer services like email management or appointment scheduling. Over time, as you build your client base, you can then increase your hourly rates and even create a virtual assistant agency by hiring others to work under you. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is blogging or YouTube channel. If you like to share your knowledge and opinions, starting a blog or a YouTube channel could be a fun and profitable online side hustle. Both platforms allow you to build an audience over time and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and other things like affiliate marketing. The great thing is you can focus on topics that you're passionate about and you have some knowledge about. I recommend that you find a niche that resonates with you, whether it's travel, personal finance, or wellness, and also look for a niche that has a lot of demand in the marketplace. I then recommend that you create high quality content that provides value to your audience. For example, if you're into personal finance, you could start a blog or a YouTube channel offering good tips and advice on saving for retirement or managing money in your 40s and beyond. The more consistently you post, the faster you'll grow your audience. Once you hit a certain level of traffic or subscribers, opportunities for ad revenue, sponsored content, and partnerships will begin to appear, making this a sustainable income stream. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is personal fitness trainer or yoga instructor. If you're passionate about health and fitness, becoming a personal trainer or a yoga instructor could be a rewarding and profitable side hustle. Many people over 40 are looking for trainers who understand the specific needs of their age group, and your life experience makes you an ideal candidate. I recommend that you get certified through a recognised program like NASM, ACE or Yoga Alliance, and once you're certified you can offer one-on-one sessions, group classes or even virtual training. I recommend that you start by marketing yourself to friends, local gyms or community centres, and you can also use social media to expand your reach. For example, you could create specialised fitness programs for older adults who want to improve flexibility, mobility or strength. As you build a client base, you can also offer personalised meal plans or online workshops to diversify your income and scale your business. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online training courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to find out more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.